Hi, today I would like to share with you a very simple method to balance yourself emotionally and physically. And you can use this method whenever you want, and you can do it in a relatively short period of time once you know it, once you can feel it, and once you recognize the energy flow within and around your body. So basically what I want to say to you is that you are an energy conduit. If you didn't know, when you deduce our physical parts, or our body and our cells to their smallest parts, everything deduces to energy. So you, in your essence, are energy. In that, you are an energy conduit, because this life force, which is you, can be directed with your conscious mind and thoughts. It's sort of similar to the idea that if you think dense thoughts, you create density in your life, or not good feeling things. But if you think light thoughts, you create light in your life, which is feel good things, love, and expansion. Okay, so that's where we want to be. We want to be in a place where we understand that what we're thinking is impacting what is happening around us. Okay, so maybe you're in a position where you have anxiety. I'm going to keep it really simple for this video. So you have emotional anxiety and you need to balance. You're not really sure where the anxiety is coming from, or maybe you know exactly where it's coming from. But basically you can move that anxiety right through you by focusing your attention on moving your divine light, or your life force, through you as well. So I'm going to show you a simple technique to connect to your divine self quickly, and then move the energy to move any density out of you, right through your whole body and through your feet. I've used this system, my clients have used this system, and it is magical. So I'm really happy that you are watching this video. So basically, to connect to your divine self in a relatively fast manner. Now, if you've never done things like this, it's going to take practice. And remember, no matter what I'm showing you right now and how it's very easy to do it, it can be a struggle. If you're not in a good mind space, or if you're not feeling good, or things are just crappy, then it's going to be really hard to find anything that's going to take you out of it. But that's okay, because the contrast, those feelings are meant to be there. They're meant to be there so that you can create what you want. Because when you realize what it is you don't want and how you don't want to feel, you can change that into what you do want and how you do want to feel. So when you're there and you're ready and like, okay, I really want to get rid of this feeling. I know what Tammy's talking about. When you're ready, take a few deep breaths. I suggest either you stand to do this, or you lie to do this, or you sit somewhere where it's quiet around you as much as possible. And you only need about, I would say first time, give yourself 5 minutes, because you're going to need to process. But at the same token, once you've got the system down, you only need about 2 minutes. So I always connect by saying, I am divine light and love. I am divine light and love. I am divine light and love. Breathe deep into my lower belly, push that out, release it. I am unconditional love. I receive only unconditional love, and I emit only unconditional love. So now what you do is you appreciate. So in your heart center, you will begin to feel the appreciation, like the love for what you're appreciating. And I would appreciate my son, I appreciate my home, I appreciate my financials, I appreciate the love in my life. And as you do this, you bring that good feeling energy up through the inner part of your body, through your neck, through your head, and out through your crown chakra, and it'll push out like a geyser. And then once you're there, let yourself sense the energy above you. And once you've got that, just bring it down within you. Bring it right through your body. Now, when I first learned how to move energy within my body, it was a very slow process. It was a meditation in itself. So But you don't need to do that. You can practice this method and you will begin to feel it. So you would feel the divine energy that you're bringing down through you, around your crown of your head, all around your head. You can feel it circular if you want to. You can feel it like a waterfall coming down through your neck, through your chest, through your back, through your shoulders. Right when you're at your shoulders, I like to bring that right out through my arms and through my hands like a geyser. So that energy just goes whoo. And then I continue to bring it down through the front of my chest, through my stomach, down to my back, through my lower back, through my bum and the front of my body, down my legs, my shins, and out my feet like a geyser. Once you've got the energy flowing through you like that and it's coming out your feet like a geyser, you connect that with the center of Earth, the Earth's heart center, the divine center of the earth. And once you have that intent, you are connected, and then you imagine and bring the earth's divine center energy up through you, up through your feet, up through your legs, and the two will meet in the center of your body. Then once there, you can do many things, but basically you're grounded in unconditional love and you're connected to your divine at this point, whether you feel it or not. You might not feel it. So how I want to show you how to balance yourself emotionally with this is, okay, so I'm anxious here. I've got something really bothering me here. Or sometimes things around people and stuff, you might have a pain in your lower back, or you might get like a real, just a sick stomach feeling. You just don't feel good. And you know it's dense energy. So now what you do is you bring that divine energy down through you and you use that with your conscious mind to push and move and flow that density through you, through your feet, and then send that back to where it came from with unconditional love, or just release it with unconditional love. For now, I'll just say that. I won't tell you why we gotta say unconditional love or why you wouldn't, but try it. And you might need to try it a few times. It might not work for you the first time. You might go, what is she talking about? I don't feel anything. But try again. When you're in a good space, do your breaths, connect, go inward. Learn to go inward and learn that you are an energy conduit and that you have the ability to move anything that hurts within you, whether it's emotional, physical, something to do with your health, to move it right through you. Don't block things. Allow them to move. I wish you the best of luck, and I love you all with the unconditional love that is all that divine. Thank you. I appreciate you. In love and light always, Tammy Lee.